kids, we're doing teams now for the 4-box mix with the first off the line. It's 2:29 and 4 seconds PM Melbourne time. Random, just live participants. I don't like three. Fotl. 1, 2, and 3. I remember that I like 3. I'd really stop using 3. I can't do that. Stop using 3. Oops, I need the least. Get one. Get one. Hit the teams. Hit the teams. Did him in 3 again. Not sweet 5. Fucking hate 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Did I do that actually? And I'm complete. Great for the teams. So. Alright, yep. Okay, the teams are Van Sanderson Raptors, Glenbow Bulls, Spadeho Heat, Dale Cavs, O'Dorman Pelicans, Leatua Mavericks, Harrison Pistons, Irvine Lakers, Cannon Pacers, Dale Nuggets, Jeff Spurs, Andrew Cox Sixers, Julian Grizz, Dale Kings, Ian Knicks, Mason O'Dorman Wizards, Reese Scott, Jazz, Simon Barr Blazers, Farine Thunder, Jeff Wojtowski, Suns, Nick Powell Rockets, Charles with the Celtics, O'Dorman with the Magic, Hinge with the Hornets, Jason with the Clippers, Charles with the Bucks, Dean with the Hawks, Spadeho with the Nets, Paul Johnson with the Warriors, and Jason Aire with the Wolves, and that's it.